I wouldn't be here talking to you today if it weren't for the Ambu Bag that was able to breathe for me. I sustained a CT fracture. I sustained a left lung collapse and a traumatic brain injury. And Dr. Vickberg responded to the scene. He found me unconscious. My head's in the passenger seat and I wasn't breathing. He pulled me out and intubated me and started breathing for me with the Ambu Bag. You know, if I didn't have the oxygen, I probably would have been dead. The first time I saw Dr. Vickberg, I gave him a huge hug, and all I could say was thank you for everything he did for me that night. If it wasn't for Dr. Vickberg and the Ambu Bag, I wouldn't be here.
I heard this call come out. It was on a stretch of road in northern Baltimore County that I was intimately familiar with. And when I arrived, it was very clear to me quickly that he had ineffective respiratory effort and that he was critically ill and needed a lot of help very quickly. And so the first thing that I pulled out was an Ambu Bag valve mask and started doing BVM ventilation for John until we could get into a better lit location where I could progress to some more advanced procedures to secure his airway. Responding without an Ambu Bag would be like getting out of my car with my pants down. It can't happen. You have to. I mean, it is the quintessential piece of equipment that I probably pull out of my go bag more than anything else. It's the gift of what we do, you know, being able to use our skills and see them work and see somebody come through so amazingly resiliently and fast forward, get back to being on the job. There's nothing more rewarding than that.